Make a great choice today with 2012 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, universal garage door opener, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, center armrest. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.